Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to pass your Algebra 2 final with an easy method. First, focus on truly understanding the core concepts, not just memorizing formulas. Practice regularly with a variety of problem types to build your confidence. It's crucial to identify your weak areas early on and dedicate extra study time to them. This proactive approach will make a significant difference in your preparation and overall performance, setting you up for success on the exam. To succeed, you must master several key Algebra 2 topics. Focus on quadratic equations, understanding factoring, completing the square and the quadratic formula. Grasp functions, their domains, ranges, and transformations. Review exponential and logarithmic functions, including their properties and applications. Finally, practice solving systems of equations and inequalities with multiple variables. These areas often represent a significant portion of the final exam content. Effective study habits are essential for passing. Create a consistent study schedule, aiming for at least 2 weeks of dedicated preparation before the exam. Work through practice exams under timed conditions to simulate the real test environment. Explaining concepts to a friend or study group can solidify your understanding. Also, utilize online resources and tutorials for additional explanations and practice problems to reinforce your learning. On exam day, preparation extends beyond academics. Get a good night's sleep, aiming for 8 hours, to ensure you are well rested. Eat a balanced breakfast to maintain focus and energy throughout the test. Arrive early to the exam location to settle in and avoid any last-minute stress. Remember to read all instructions carefully and manage your time wisely during the exam to maximize your performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.